Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to disable or enable Microsoft Security in Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Go to Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection from the left side list. Go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Go to Real-Time Protection. Turn the switch off. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Go to Real-Time Protection. Turn the switch on to enable Microsoft Security. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!